Welcome back to Omolola Finance Lab. Hey wealth builders, how are you doing today? Are you ready to discover how to build wealth fast even if you're starting from zero? Stick around because, at the end, I'll reveal the number one mistake keeping most people broke. Pause the video and drop a comment. What's your number one money goal? Let's grow together. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button, it helps more people join our wealth building journey. Step 1. Increase your income streams. You can't save your way to wealth, you need multiple income sources. Example, take up a high income skill like copywriting, coding, or affiliate marketing. Challenge, find one skill you can monetize within the next 30 days. Pro tip, start small, stay consistent, and scale up. Your first dollar earned online is the hardest, but it gets easier. Step 2. Master money management. Budget like a pro and invest wisely. Example, use the 50/30/20 rule and automate your savings. Step 3. Leverage compound growth. Let money work for you. Example, investing just $5 daily at 10% return turns into $1 million over time. Mistake 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Break free by tracking expenses. Example, download an expense tracker app today. Pro tip, set a weekly money date with yourself to review spending and adjust your budget. Mistake 2. Not investing early. The longer you wait, the more money you lose. Challenge, set up an investment account this week. Reality check, even investing just $50 a month now is better than waiting for the perfect time, because time in the market beats timing the market. Mistake 3. Bad debt habits. Credit card debt drains wealth. Example, if you pay only the minimum, a $5,000 balance can take 30 years to repay. The secret? Own assets, not just a salary. Example, rich people buy income-generating assets, stocks, real estate, businesses. Challenge, research one income-generating asset you can buy this month. Bonus tip, start small. Even a $10 micro investment in stocks or REITs can get you in the game. Wealth building is about consistent action. Think about this, if your salary disappeared today, would you still have money coming in? That's why assets matter. Pro tip, the rich don't just work for money, they make money work for them, so start building assets that pay you even while you sleep. No 9 to 5? No problem. Here are easy side hustles. Freelancing, offer skills like writing or design on Fiverr. Drop servicing, outsource services and profit. Digital products, sell an ebook or online course. Challenge, pick one side hustle today and start researching. Print on demand, design and sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without holding inventory. Challenge bonus, set a goal to earn your first $100 from a side hustle within the next 30 days. Let's make it happen. Step 1. Automate investing. Set up auto deposits into index funds. Step 2. Build passive income. Own businesses that run without you. Step 3. Scale with smart leverage. Use other people's money, OPM, wisely. Example, using a rental property's cash flow to buy another. Step 4. Reinvest your profits. Don't just spend your earnings, reinvest them to grow your wealth faster. Example, take profits from one income stream and use them to expand another, like using business earnings to buy stocks or real estate. Step 5. Keep learning and adapting. The wealthiest people never stop learning. Example, read one finance or investment book every month to stay ahead of the game. Subscribe, more life-changing wealth strategies coming your way. Like this video, let's reach more future millionaires. Comment below, what's your wealth building plan? Let's discuss. Need a breakdown on a topic? Ask in the comments, and I'll make a video for you. Your first million starts with one decision. Are you ready? Omolola Finance Lab, helping you build wealth, one step at a time.